Yeah. There's no airspace.
No, do you have permission here to do that?
No, I just look at the airspace requirements. That's what the FAA.
I've been told this,
Yeah.
and I know things change. You might want to check with the area management. Because they told me, but here again, maybe 2 years ago, no one's allowed to do this but them.
Okay.
So I just checked.
Okay, I'll check. Yeah, I looked online. I couldn't find anything. So.
Well, airspace says 400 feet, but this is private property.
Well, I mean, FAA is like. I asked them because we do it for utilities,
Now, did you do this in New Jersey?
right? I hear all kinds of stories about that. I'm like, you know.
I would check.
Yeah.
Just to cover your ass.
Okay. Okay.
Yep.
I'll get it to a good spot to land at the bottom and then do it there. All right. Thanks, guys.
Yep. Thank you.
Where's the best place to check? Just
Okay, when you go into the main, the main desk, we call it, or info desk,
yeah.
right there.
Okay.
Yeah, and they'll get a hold of somebody. And
All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
yep. Oh, we had a bunch of bees.
All right.